So after putting a bunch of PB Blaster on Jeff's rear wheel, which was rusted up like an anchor at the bottom of the ocean after 100 years, I managed to get it to break free so that I can clean up the freewheel and repack the bearings of these wheels. That's one of the things a lot of people don't do, but I do. I take it all the way apart. We get her done. Anyhow, here we go. This is the freewheel that I pulled out. Didn't sound like that before. It does now. Good and new. By the way, these threads were just coated in rust. Like, it took everything to get this out. Like, it took a vice grip and a twist in the wheel, if you know what I'm saying. So I always have a place prepared for the parts that I'm going to be removing, so that when I go to put them back in, it's no big deal. This will make a world of difference though on how this wheel rolls. Like it'll roll like brand new. It'll be buttery smooth. Could I have left them the way they were and gotten away with it? Yeah, I could have. Like, probably no one's ever gonna ride this bike in a way that they would be like, those wheels feel a little crunchy, like the bearings need a little work on them. Like, no one's gonna spend that amount of time on it, getting used to the feeling of it and being able to actually feel it through the tires and up to their hands and their feet. So, no one would probably ever notice it, but I would. I told Jeff I was gonna do a complete restoration on this, and complete restoration means busting it down completely. One of the cones. So we have nine ball bearings. So 5, 9, total of 9. 9. Are you magnetic? No. Where's my magneto? There we go. Magnets are the way, my friends. Nice. There we go. 9. Look how gunky that stuff was, man. Just nasty in there. Now, for the drive side. And so, like, I've taken apart a lot of wheels and hubs, and one of the things that I notice happens a lot, especially to people that don't do it very often, is they go to pull them out and the bearings go all over the place. If you know what they're gonna do, you can kind of control it, you know what I'm saying? So if you don't know what they're gonna do, you gotta learn. So it took me a bunch of times, but I eventually learned magnets are your friend when it comes to this stuff. And really? So 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 bearings in the back. That's 4. 9 bearings in the front. Wow, I didn't know that. Cool. Cool little feature. And of course, that guy is all gunked up like crazy as well. Anyhow, that's most I'm going to record on this. I'm just going to clean these out. You guys don't need to see that. It's kind of boring. Anyhow, peace.